If you've been thinking about a career change, Bryant & Stratton College can help you get on a faster path to working toward a career as a medical assistant in as little as 20 months. I'm with Dr. Bonomo to learn more. Doctor, what can Bryant & Stratton College offer?
Here at Bryant Stratton College, our Medical Assistant Associate Degree program prepares students to work in a variety of healthcare settings, clinical and administrative, from understanding medical terminology to maintaining medical records and much more.
What should viewers do next if they're ready to explore a career as a medical assistant?
Go to bryantstratton.edu and see how Bryant & Stratton College is built different for you.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Visit Bryant & Stratton College today.